Private universities partner with service providers for New Age degree program. 11 schools declared sensitive for SSC exams in Mumbai division. Madhyamik student completes exam from hospital bed after ceiling fan fall. Supreme Court ruling opens door for Rohingya children's school admissions. Time for an overhaul of IDEA, reforming America's special education law. Welcome to Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: several private universities in Karnataka are in collaborating with service providers to offer degree programs in emerging fields like computer science, engineering, BBA and BCom, where existing faculties lack expertise. For example, PrEP. It started offering degree programs in 2023 and will expand to 28 colleges by 2025-26. Service providers assist in curriculum development, faculty recruitment and training, while universities manage exams and degrees. Expertise believe that reliance on service providers stemmed from the under-evaluation of teaching, particularly in higher demand fields like engineering. The UGC allows universities to appoint training partners for skill-based education, but outsourcing entire program is still restricted. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has declared 11 schools in the Maharashtra division, especially Mumbai, as sensitive centers for the upcoming SSC exams starting Friday. No schools in Mumbai are listed, but 5 sensitive areas in Palghar, 4 in Raigad and 2 in Thane. These include schools like Sacred Heart High School and Takshashila Madhyamik Vidyalaya. For the first time, additional vigilance measuring will be implemented at the centers, including drone surveillance and facial recognition of officials. A total of 3.6 lakh candidates will appear for the exam, with significant increase of 19,000 candidates compared to last year. In an inspiring display of determination, Nandini Makal, a Madhyamik student from Bhatnagar Jatiya Shiksha Mandir, continued her life science exam from hospital bed after a ceiling fan fell on her during the test. The accident caused several injuries, but after initial first aid, Makal was taken to Vidyasagar Hospital for later transfer to M.R. Bangur Hospital. Despite the trauma, she insisted on completing the exam, resumed writing at 1 p.m. The incident at the Bhatnagar Sri Ramakrishna Ashram Center led to the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education issuing show cause notice to 5 individuals for the negligence. In a hopeful development of Rohingya refugees' families in Delhi, the Supreme Court has ruled that children of Rohingya refugees must not be denied of access to public schools if eligible. The court emphasized that the children can approach the Delhi High Court if admissions are denied. This ruling addresses long-standing issue of discrimination faced by refugee children seeking education. Lawyer Ashok Agarwal lauded the decision, calling it a victory against inhuman practices. In the past, children of Rohingya refugees, even with refugee cards, were denied of school admissions due to a lack of documents like Aadhaar card. The ruling aligns with the Right to Education Act, which prohibits discrimination in education. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, signed into law in 1975, has long been a vital part of US education system, ensuring students with disabilities to access free appropriate education. However, after nearly 50 years, the law is facing criticism for its inefficiency in meeting evolving needs of students and educators. Issues include focusing on the least restrictive environment, which leads to inadequate support in general education classrooms, overburdening educators with paperwork, and reduced student support. Experts advocate for reforms like better teaching training, streamlined process for individualized education programs, more substantial early intervention, ensuring students with disabilities thrive academically. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENN.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.